Welcome back to the channel, where we help you get the most out of GoHighLevel to supercharge your business. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set up thank you pages that not only wrap up the customer journey, but also convert visitors again, turning one-time leads into repeat customers. Let's explore how to set up an attractive thank you page that encourages your leads to return. First, log in to your GoHighLevel account and navigate to the dashboard. Once there, click on the Sites option in the left sidebar. Next, select the Funnels option from the top menu bar. Then, choose the desired funnel for which you want to set up the thank you page. Click on Add New Step or Import. Enter the page name in the required field. Then, input the page path in the Path field. Finally, click on Create Funnel Step. Now, select the thank you page from the steps and click on the blue Edit button. Here, you can set up the page. If you have any pre-made code, you can paste it using the Custom CSS button. To create the page manually, click on the plus button. Then, choose a section. After that, you can drag and drop headings, paragraphs, and other elements into the section. To save time, click on the plus button and choose the Pre-Built Sections option. Here, you'll find different pre-made sections that you can insert and customize. Select the desired template, and it will be added to the editor. You can now edit its content to perfection. Once you're done, click on the Publish button, and there you have it. Looking to optimize your workflow and enhance lead management? Give GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial a go, and don't forget to book your kickoff call to ensure a seamless setup process. You can find all the links in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for tips about GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching.